Tri-State Bbocat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with a 2012 Bobcat S185. It's a 2-speed 2012 with the Kubota Interim Tier 4 engine. Just over 1,000 hours. Few scratches. You see a nice straight tailgate, no big dings in it. Opens nicely. Hey, 61 horse S185. It's a Kubota turbo diesel. It's got the block heater, simple maintenance, air cleaner, hydraulic, engine oil, fuel. Very simple machine to maintain. You can get at your starter, your battery, everything is close at hand. Radiator is overhead along with the cooler. See your antifreeze. Very simple machine to maintain. It'll work all day for you on that one tank of fuel. Very nice. Hey, it's got a few rust spots on it. Little touch up and you'll be in business. Tires look like new. And they are the Bobcat heavy duties with the bead guard. This machine will come with a used 68-inch bucket. We do have power bob attach. Inside the machine, we are looking at cab heat. And the hours on the machine, 1,035. Standard flow. And you got your auxiliaries right on the front of the machine, easy to get to. This is a foot-controlled machine. Again, power bob attach. These Kubotas run beautiful. You know, the Doosan's are awesome too, but these are a little faster to do maintenance on. It's all good. Cab with heat. Think about how nice that'll be next winter. And again, it is a 2-speed machine. Nice clean cab, good seat, suspension. You got your 4 heat outlets all around the side, sliding windows. Inner and outer air filters for the cabin, inner and outer for the engine as well. Tri-State Bbocat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2012 Bobcat S185. It's powered with a Kubota. It's one of the last ones they put in this machine. The 12s are just awesome. G-Series machine. They got the hydraulic cooling fan. Minimal amount of maintenance. Maximum dig. Vertical lift boom so you can load into the center of a truck when you're loading it. This machine will pretty well do it all. Tri-State Bbocat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Again, Tri-State Bbocat. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Hey, it doesn't matter what you're looking for, I can find it. Give me a call or give any one of our 3 Tri-State stores a telephone call. Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, or Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.